Trading is a journey best taken with good company. That's our core ethos at Traderade. We believe that community is a key part of accelerating your trading journey, especially with the foundations of our community, which are actionable ideas, valuable educational content, and cutting-edge trading tools. We also foster a welcoming community. For traders that are very new to traders that are quite advanced, everyone's able to get along in one forum, and there's a general, genuine interest of helping people go throughout that trading journey, progress, and improve. At Traderade, we thought back when we founded this company as to what would have helped us early in our trading journey. What would have helped us to avoid some of those pitfalls, to accelerate our journey so we found better consistency and higher rates of success over time. And so we've built this Discord and this community around that concept. When you first join the Discord, you're encouraged to check out the introduction room, which gives an overview of all of the channels on the Discord. Of course, we have our announcements room. This is where we share the latest and greatest updates, whether it's new content, new resources, or new updates to some of our trading tools that happen throughout the week. The pace of innovation at Traderade is so fast that I recorded a video about the Discord just about 2 months ago, and so much has improved and changed since then that I'm recording this new video now in hopes of providing a more comprehensive overview and focusing on all of the features we have, including a lot of the new stuff we've added. Now, Breakfast Bites is a destination that I recommend every member view every morning. Aisha, who lives in the UAE, is able to observe all of these overnight happenings in Asia and Europe and some of the headlines coming out in the US before the US markets open. And she shares that in her concise analysis called Breakfast Bites every morning. So whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or investor, these Breakfast Bites are an invaluable way to start your day, because we know a lot of traders spend time in the morning when they're groggy and hazy and just waking up, looking at all these headlines, looking at the calendar, looking at everything going on and trying to make sense of it. And that often isn't a very time efficient process. So Aisha distills all of that in one place where you don't need to go out and do all that research. You have it right here. There's also Aisha Musings, where she shares her thoughts on the markets and the big picture as she has new developments, most recently discussing her views on NVIDIA. And there's my channel, Markets and Mayhem, where I share daily updates on the markets, macro, earnings as they're coming out, and otherwise to try to provide our members with more guideposts to understand what's happening in the market and the big picture and why it could matter to their trading. There's also our Trade Ideas channel, where we're regularly discussing opportunities that we have and how we're executing on them. Most recently, I shared a trade on AMBA or Ambarella that netted 20% overnight for members that were able to take that trade. We also have our headlines room, where real-time news and alerts come through that you're able to see as they're posting. This is really helpful because a lot of services charge just for this. This is included in the Traderade package, as is live audio squawk. So you get live news via audio throughout the trading day, which can be invaluable to finding trading opportunities. We also have headlines, and the news section shows links to longer form articles from a number of different sources for folks that want to dive in to some of the bigger parts of that big picture view. And of course, we have a general chat room where we encourage members to interact and just generally be able to discuss what's on their mind. We have a questions room where we talk about whatever members want to talk about. If you have a question about the markets or how to trade, or what is a decent investment in this time period, or how to tune up your trading software so it looks more like ours, whatever your questions are, we're very responsive and we're very in tune with making sure our members are getting that question answered in a way that helps them to further their journey. We have our beginners channel, which focuses on sharing content that may help beginners to accelerate their trading journey, sharing nuggets of information from our own experience as traders, and also encouraging beginners to share with each other, to ask questions, and to interact. I posted something about how I look at swing trading, as it was a question one member asked, and I felt all the beginners in the group could benefit from this. We also have our bot queries room, where the bot that I've created for this Discord, GUR, inspired by Invader Zim, allows us to have a number of different features. In fact, the commands list is extensive. There's so much functionality in this bot, and yet it's all distilled, it's all very simple, and it's all targeted towards being able to, at your fingertips, pull up a chart of interesting information, whether it's gamma levels on stocks or the S&P 500, whether it's sentiment, positioning, Bollinger Band, or regular momentum charts or otherwise. We have a lot of functionality in this bot, which saves you time because you don't have to fire up a separate browser window to plug in your charts or to look at different feeds of data. And in fact, we even have automated idea generation. So if you're looking for momentum stocks, we can have those setups shared with you on screen as they're available. So even though we share our own trading ideas, we have a number of resources on the server that can also help members come up with ideas as they're trying to figure out what they may want to trade and qualifying those ideas as well. Now, another recent feature that we added is the flow room. The flow room shows flow of the S&P 500 throughout the trading day. So this is updated on a minutely basis. It's adjusted to ES levels. So for futures traders, you can see the impact of the options market on the S&P 500 futures throughout the trading day. And this is an invaluable tool for traders. In fact, we have a lot of our members swear by it, that it's the cheat code that really helps them to improve their consistency. And we have our commentary channel where traders discuss what's going on in the markets. It's not super formal. It's casual. People can discuss whatever they want there, but we do keep it more market focused. We have our commodities room where we discuss what's going on in the world of commodities. Our crypto room, futures, which is much more focused on just trading the futures markets, Forex and bonds, stocks and options. These are all channels for folks of different backgrounds and different trading interests to be able to get together, share ideas, and of course, we share our own thoughts there as well. And we have a forum where we have all kinds of really cool content, bringing members together and helping them learn more. For example, we encourage our members to post their market preps. We post our own as well. I post one every Sunday night to help members navigate the markets, but we have a channel where members are able to post their own market preps, which I think is awesome because everyone should be able to share and learn from each other. No one has this 100% down. That is to say, the world of finance is so big and so vast and complex. We can always benefit from learning from each other. We also have an area for trading journals where folks can share their trading journey together right here to be able to learn from each other. And an area where we can talk about trading systems that either we've developed right here on the Discord or others that may exist that you can use that are helpful to your trading journey. We have our nerd chat room where we discuss more technical concepts, our water cooler area where it's much more casual, and even things like, hey, let's talk about our favorite music for trading, and a channel to ask your tech questions. If you have any questions about the capabilities here on the Discord, the GUR bot, or otherwise, we encourage those questions and we're more than happy to answer them. And Johnny Dankseed, my friend and our colleague at Traderade, has created these awesome trading bots that are able to share all kinds of interesting information. Dark pool prints are available throughout the day, as is insider trading, large sweeps, golden sweeps, different variations of flow. And then finally, we have our trading area where we have a number of different streams that you're able to see. So throughout the trading day, you'll note that we have 9 different streams running. There's nothing like this out there. You're able to get real-time visualizations of futures contracts that we're watching closely, like the 10-year note futures, crude oil, the S&P 500 through a filtered bookmap view, for example, where it includes my SPX options visualizer and all the updates I've added to it recently. as well as our pivot levels, which are programmatically generated throughout the trading day and updated in real time, both during regular and extended trading hours. And that combines those pivot levels with the SPX options visualizer, so you get the best of both worlds on one simple, clean chart. We also have our NASDAQ bookmap view, our NASDAQ pivots charts that are also programmatically generated throughout the trading day. And we're watching NVIDIA, the S&P 500 in an unfiltered bookmap view, and we have our options signals. So there's a lot going on there. And then last but not least, our resources. So sort of like the Wikipedia of Traderade, there's all kinds of resources to help you get better understanding of what we're offering, and also take advantage of some exclusive discounts with our partners to be able to learn more about trading, futures, investing, options, stocks, and more. So the whole point of what we're doing here at Traderade is to maximize the value of getting everything you need, one-stop shop. Whether you're looking for ideas, education, cutting-edge trading tools, a community of like-minded people to be able to interact with and learn from, you can get it all right here at Traderade, which is why we've built this Discord. And of course, as anyone has questions, we're here to help. We're not just putting this all out there and no contact or anything like that. We want you to learn. We want you to benefit. We want you to grow in this journey as we all improve as traders together. So that's the real crux of what we do on our Discord. We will be creating some more specialized videos to go through the individual features that I've highlighted in greater depth. So stay tuned.